heading for southwestern Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, southwestern Warren County in northwestern New Jersey, southeastern Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southwestern Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania, until 9:15 p.m. At 8:29 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Allentown, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: LiDAR indicated. Damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, sidings, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Allentown, Bethlehem, Emmaus, Northampton, Quakertown, Allentown, Durham, Bedminster, Allentown, Chalmers, Dublin, Sunnyvale, Fronttown, Milford, Regal Hill, Pleasant Valley, and Cary. This includes the following highways: northeast extension mile markers 45 and 54. Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 56 and 73. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:15 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey, Hunterdon and Warren, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Bucks,